Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Black and a favorite Nigerian boy. Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. It's really nice to be here, guys. So, guys, I'm about to show you this five-bedroom duplex apartment that we are currently building for our clients here in Ibadan, Nigeria. I'm about to share with you the current progress of the house construction. As you can see, guys, we are at the decking level right now, so we are expecting to be pouring more concrete in this house very soon. And also, guys, make sure you like this video. I will take you around so you can see the current work in progress. We are making the steps today, the form works for the stairs, so the concrete can be poured along with the deck inside. So I'm gonna give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share with your friends, and like this video, so subscribe for more videos like this. So, guys, this is a five-bedroom duplex house construction that we are actually working on in Ibadan, Nigeria, right now for one of our clients who owns this place. So, guys, actually today we are working on the stairs, the form works for the stairs and we're also working on the decking right now. We worked on the decking and the stairs. So this is what I'm about to show you in this video. Very soon we'll be pouring concrete, but we just finished the iron works on the decking. You will see that in the video, guys. So if you're new to this channel, this is what we do. We do about real estate developments, constructions, and real estate developments in the whole of Nigeria. So currently this house is located in Ibadan, Moniya. So Ibadan, Nigeria, Moniya. Yes, so guys, so I'm about to show you the current progress of the decking works and the stairs that we are working on right now. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you stay subscribed to the gang, guys. So let's have a look. Let's keep on moving. Well, you can see, guys, the building is really standing really cool, standing right. Yeah, what do you think? And this is just a step when the laborers, people that will be pouring the concrete will pass through. So this is the stairs they will be using. We are actually working on the inside, the inner stairs right now. That's why I'm not showing you guys. So you see, there's a lot of work that we've done on the decking. We just fixed all these irons, as you can see, the irons, and we are working on the electrical part right now. It's weekend already, so I just had to show you how the work has been. The work done for a while. So we're working on the electrical pipes and also the plumbing parts, guys. You see, we're working on the stairs right now. So we're working on the electrical and the plumbing part right now. So I just had to show you work done on this project right now. So, guys, you can see there's really a lot of work done right now. So let me show you the progress of the stairs that we are working on right now, guys. It's actually taking shape really fast, as you can see, guys. So this is what we have been up to on this project. So if you really like what you see in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you stay subscribed to my channel, for more construction videos like this.
So let me give you a tour of the work in progress. As you can see, guys, the irons that we have used. We've used 16 mm irons, 12 mm irons, and 10 mm irons as well. And also these pipes has been fixed by the plumber. Guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on the construction progress. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. See guys, it's a lot of work done. Guys, look at that. Alright, let's go. You can see that, guys. Plumbing work is going on already. Plumbing work. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment whatever you think about the project. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be dropping more construction videos, guys. Make sure you